Hi everyone, welcome back to Cyber Insights. In today's video, I'll show you how to check who is connected to your Huawei router. Stay tuned. This is the router we are talking about. It looks like this. To access the router's settings, open a browser and enter the default router IP address. So I entered this IP address for my router and then log in with the default username and password. For this case, I put my account and password and log in. The default credentials are usually at the back side of the router. I'm waiting for it to log in. Page. Now, check the connected devices by navigating to the status section. This is the navigation bar, status section. Go to the user device information. As you can see, I am capable of seeing the number of devices connected to my Wi-Fi. And I can go to page 2. I can also see the additional devices in my Wi-Fi. Okay, you can remove and block unknown users using MAC address filtering feature to restrict access. So you can, for example, you can see these devices are connected to my Wi-Fi. To block a device that you don't want to be connected, you just copy this MAC address. For example, you copy this MAC address, you go to security in the navigation bar, then go to wireless LAN MAC address filter configuration. You'll be capable to see the devices that I have already blocked or blacklisted. You can add a new device here, new, paste that MAC address there, then you apply. For my case, I won't apply because I don't want to block the device. You apply. In that case, when you come back to the status navigation and go to user device information, you realize that the device that you blacklisted, it will appear as offline. Sound like this, and it will not be able to access the network anymore. Uh, in case you want to ensure that your Wi-Fi is strong, change the password regularly. In the wireless local area network navigation bar, you are capable to change the password here or the name of the SSID, or you can hide the SSID, hide the password to prevent unauthorized access. That's it. Now you know how to check who is using your Huawei router. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and share for more tips. Thank you.